In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Semrush for YouTube keyword research. By the end, you'll know how to find the right topics, judge competition, and save a solid list of keywords for your upcoming videos. Start by opening Semrush and heading to the SEO section, then choose Keyword Overview. This is your home base for exploring any topic idea you're considering for a video. Type a broad topic related to your content. Think of phrases like how to edit videos, YouTube automation, or how to grow on YouTube. These are great starting points because they represent what viewers actually type. Hit search to load the data. On the results page, pay attention to three key metrics. Search volume shows how many times a keyword is looked up each month. Make sure you're checking the right country or region for your audience. Keyword difficulty, or KD%, estimates how competitive that term is. Lower KD generally means it's easier to rank. Intent tells you what users want to achieve. For YouTube, informational intent is usually best because it aligns with tutorials, guides, and how-to content. Next, open the Keyword Magic tool to expand your ideas. This tool groups related phrases and modifiers so you can quickly spot patterns and long-tail opportunities. It's perfect for growing a seed keyword into a full content plan. As you scan results, lean into YouTube-friendly phrases. How-to keywords, best keywords, and clear tutorial-style phrases tend to perform well. For example, how to edit videos for YouTube or best video editing apps 2026 are specific, helpful, and audience-focused. Switch over to the Questions tab for instant video ideas. These are phrased exactly like viewers ask them, which makes them excellent titles. Phrases such as how to grow on YouTube fast and why my YouTube videos get no views map directly to strong, solution-oriented videos. When narrowing options, choose keywords with a lower KD% and decent search volume. This balance gives you a realistic shot at ranking on both Google and YouTube, especially if your channel is still growing. Before you commit, validate on YouTube itself. Type your keyword into the search bar and check the autocomplete suggestions, the number of competing videos, and the types of titles that are getting traction. This confirms real-world interest and helps you fine-tune your angle. Finally, save the winners. Add your selections to Keyword Manager or export them for content planning. Group them by topic so you can build video series and stay consistent. You now know how to use Semrush for YouTube keyword research. Thanks for watching.